Hello and welcome back. And today we're working on Klenty AI, your new robot sales assistant, or your overbearing work spouse. About final. Let's be honest. Sales outreach is about as fun as watching paint dry while your ex posts vacation pics. Enter Klenty AI, the tool that promises to automate your email so you can finally take that lunch break. Does it actually work, or is it just a fancy way to spam people faster? Let's find out. We're going to look at the good, the bad, and the why is my prospect calling me a bot. So we're going to look at the category, the pros and the cons. Now the pros means you can call the pros the take my money stuff, and the cons the this robot needs therapy stuff. Yes. So the first category we're looking at is email automation. Yes, Klenty AI sends emails while you nap. Finally, work-life balance. The con is that sometimes personalized equals to hey, your first name, love your work, and your last name. That's it. So now you can say hey, Bimbo, love your work, Ashley. Now when it comes to the category of follow-up genius, the pro is that it never forgets to follow up, unlike a goldfish memory. The con is that it may follow up 17 times with someone who clearly ghosted you. Now, category of CRM sync. Yes, this plays nice with Salesforce like a teacher's pet. But the con? Seamless integration, unless you blink wrong. Let's look at the next one, the analytics category. Analytics. Yes, it shows you exactly how badly your emails are performing. Con? Data doesn't lie, even when you really want it to. It will show you your bad emails performance. Moving on to pricing. It is cheaper than hiring an intern to spam for you. But the con is that free plan is about as useful as a screen door on the submarine. It is not. So, our final verdict. Should you adopt this robot salesperson? If you're a team that hate typing, then yes. Your answer should be yes. Where do I sign? For people who enjoy human connection, it will feel like robots dictating to you. What am I trying to say? Klenty AI is like a caffeinated sales intern. Eager, sometimes awkward, but gets the job done. Just don't expect it to understand sarcasm or when to stop emailing. P.S. If your reply rate skyrockets, we accept thank you gift in pizza and memes. If you're still unsure, remember, cold outreach is just making friends with extra steps and way more rejection. Hope you found this video helpful.